Happy Saturday to you. We had about 41 degrees Fahrenheit, about 6 degrees Celsius of temperature today. The sun came out. We had an inch and a half of snow in the wee hours in the morning, which pretty much turned to slush, and now it's freezing again. Tomorrow's high should be 22 Fahrenheit, about -5 Celsius. Yeah, we're supposed to get more precipitation next weekend, but it's supposed to be pretty cold this week. I made homemade fish and chips for dinner with peas on the side, and I have yet to make the strep throat cure out of the garlic, cayenne pepper, and honey. I've been putting it off because once upon a time I tried raw garlic for the heck of it, and I wonder what this is like raw, and whoa, it burns. But it is really good for you. Garlic is really good for you. So I will try it. I said I would do it, and I will. Nothing else, pretty much nothing else is happening around here. I need to get on the ball and get something accomplished. If the sun comes out tomorrow, which I think it will, I'll just have to open up all the shades and put on some jamming music and get to work around here because I need to do it. Yep, that's what I need to do. In 2 weeks' time, my brother is coming in from Atlanta for a practice gig. He plays bass guitar. Their old band's getting together for a reunion gig in April, but he's coming up to practice in March. So he's staying in Brian's old room, and I'll have lots of things prepared for him, whatever he feels in the mood to eat and stuff. Maybe he'll do some videos and vlogs on here. Maybe he'll show you a riff or two on the guitar. He's a pretty cool guy. He's 6 years younger than I, and of the family, I think he has the most common sense. He's my confidant. Usually, if I don't know who to turn to or talk to, I go to him because the guy I used to turn to has been dead for 4 years. 4 years? Almost 5. Ooh. Yeah. Well, life sure goes quickly, doesn't it? A week ago, I was having a good time in 80-degree weather with sandals on and a t-shirt in Long Beach, California. Not today. I have some extra fuzzy stuff on to keep me warm, so and a little extra fuzzy guy that keeps me warm at night. Although sometimes I have to bribe him. Yeah, I'm talking about the cat. Yep, I also picked up 2 new trolls. Who'd have thought? I'm not that popular. Nobody cares about me. I mean, I only have at the most 5 viewers. Now I've got 2 people that are deciding that I'm fun to pick on. My advice to all those guys is the same advice I gave to my ex-husband. He was an abusive, mean type of person, and he's not changing. You can't change someone, girls. You can't. If they're not the way, and guys, if they're not quite the way you hope they would be, they're probably not going to change. Only they can change themselves. You can't change them. So if the negative, nasty people would take that energy that they have that's so bad that they're throwing out in bits and pieces to other people, if they take that energy and grow it and make it something good and positive, the world would be so much cooler. You know? It would be so cool. Just take that amount of energy that you're going to take to be a jerk and be a wonderful person. You'll be surprised how many really cool and good things happen to you when you decide to do that. Off my soapbox. Gotta get to work. Upward and onward.